In 1605, Guy Fawkes and his friends wanted to blow up important buildings in London where the king and his leaders were, so someone else would rule England instead.
He was caught before he did this, so Nubet was hurt, and it's because of him that the British celebrate Bonfire Night on the 5th of November.
Guy Fawkes didn't do this alone. He had a group of people working on the plan with him.
They filled up the basements in the Houses of Parliament in London with lots and lots of gunpowder, which would have caused the buildings to explode and also kill King James I and other people in charge of the country.
However, they were caught before this happened, and Guy Fawkes went to jail on the 5th of November. The British remember this every year on Bonfire Night.
The 5th of November is known as Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night.
Guy Fawkes was born on the 13th of April 1517 in York and died on the 13th of January 1606 in London.
He is alive at the end of Queen Elizabeth I's reign and the beginning of King James I's reign.
Guy Fawkes was a Catholic and didn't agree with the Protestant faith of the king.
Guy became friends with Robert Gaspy, who had an idea to kill the king by blowing up the Houses of Parliament.
It was actually Robert Gaspy who led the gunpowder plot, not Guy Fawkes. There were 13 people involved.
The job Guy Fawkes had in the gunpowder plot was to guard the 36 barrels of gunpowder that had been stored in a basement underneath the House of Lords.
Guy Fawkes was arrested in the basement on the day he was going to light the gunpowder, the 5th of November, and he was taken to the Tower of London.
King James I decreed that the 5th of November should be the day that people always celebrate that the gunpowder plot didn't happen. On Bonfire Night, the British set off fireworks, light bonfires, and sometimes burn a doll that looks like Guy Fawkes.
I can explain this.
because it was explained to me.
You have to. It doesn't come
It's
with
a
the leaflet.
protest.
Idiot!